channel. Today I'm going to do another healthier recipe because, as mentioned previously, I'm trying to eat healthier, so that includes cooking healthier. Over the years, I've also accumulated quite a few recipe books. I've used them a little but not enough, so now I'm going to try and go through as many of these recipes as I possibly can and actually use what I've bought them for. Okay? Use them for what I've bought them for, basically. Okay, so today we're going to do a recipe that I found in one of the vegetarian books that vegetarian cookbooks that I have. The name of the book is Homestyle Vegetarian, and it's going to be sun-dried tomatoes. Sometimes I'm at home because I work from home and I want a healthy snack, and I saw this one and it seems easy. As I mentioned, I'm also a cooking novice, so stick with me and let's see how well I can do this recipe. It's my first time doing it, so don't judge too much. Alright, let's get started right away. Okay, so I just cut up the tomatoes, and the instructions call for cutting them in quarts, which is what I did right here. And I'll show you just one more. I'm gonna add one more to it. And when I say I'm a novice, it doesn't mean that I never cook. I cook, but not on a level that I would really like to have. Okay, so I'm trying to improve, and I thought, well, this is one thing that a lot of us have in common. We all like food, we all like healthy eating, so I decided to share it on my platform. I hope people will tune in, and I hope you guys like it. So the next step, according to the recipe, put some salt on it, sprinkle some salt, and this is the salt that I have. I'm going to sprinkle a bit, I don't want to do too much. And it does not ask for pepper, but I like pepper, so I'll put just a tiny bit on it, just a tiny bit. Okay, so the instructions ask for black pepper, so I'm going to sprinkle some on there. Okay, that might be a lot of black pepper. And then also put some thyme on it. Okay, so it basically wants the leaves off of it. Yeah, that's how we do it. I'll take the sticks out afterwards, but I'm just trying to get as much of the leaves themselves off of it. Okay, I'll rest them here. Okay, I hope this tastes good. Lord, I hope it tastes good. I don't ever waste my time, you know, cause who won't waste them time? Not this girl. Okay. Alright. I think that's enough time. Right, so let's boogie. I think we can put them in. Take out some of the stick. I think we can put them into the thing. So now I have put them all in. I put all the ingredients on it. I have put salt, black pepper, and I put some pepper on it. It didn't ask for pepper, I put additional pepper on it. And then I put the thyme on it. I used the leaves from the thyme stem, and then I just put the leaves only in it. Okay, and then next I'm going to put it into the oven. Okay, and now I feel safer with the mitts on, so I'm going to put it in. Okay, so 2.5 hours at 160. Just took these out of the oven after 2.5 hours, and according to the instructions, the next thing I should do is toss the tomatoes. So according to the instructions, the next thing I should do is toss the tomatoes in the olive oil and leave to cool before packing into sterilized jars. Okay, so I'm gonna put them in olive oil. Okay, I think that's enough olive oil, maybe too much. stir them around a little bit. Okay, stir them around a little. Leave it here. Make sure they're all getting some oil. Okay. Alright. So I'm going to leave them to cool for a little while and then I'll come and put it in the jar. Okay, so I have a problem. I'm supposed to put it into a jar, a sterilized jar. So I was going to put it in this since it can lock so well. But I miscalculated. I thought I had a bigger one, but this is a small one and this is a good amount of tomatoes. So, I don't know. I wonder if I can put it in this instead. It's still glass and it's bigger. This cannot hold this many tomatoes. Alright, so I'm gonna put it in here. Okay. Hope that's okay. All the chefs that know their stuff, you can tell me if this was a miscalculation, if this was okay. But it's too late now, I'm gonna do it anyway. But you can tell me for future, for future reference. Okay, so I'm gonna put this in here. And then after that, they say I'm supposed to refrigerate for 24 hours, okay? Okay, so I'm gonna put them in there. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna eat it, like create like a meal with it tomorrow after 24 hours. Let me taste one. Good. It's really good. Okay, so we are done. And I tasted one already, but I'll taste another one. Okay, so here we go. It was unexpectedly good. Okay, perfect. Tomorrow I'm gonna make like a sandwich with one of them. But so far, so good. Alright, thank you.